In this video clip, we will talk about this formula. The length of arc L equals the angle theta, which is here, times the radians. Why this is true? Previously, we know the relationship between theta angle and the length of arc. We know how is radian defined. If the length of arc L is R, then it's 1 radian. Then, of course, if the length of arc here is 2, okay, the length of arc is twice as much as the radians, we know that will be 2 radian. So if it's 1.5 R for the length of arc, then here will be 1.5 radian. So of course, if the angle is pi radian, and then here will be pi r, it follows the same pattern. Pi is what? Approximately 3.14. So if here is 3.14, then here will be 3.14 times r. Okay, follow the same pattern. Here is 1.5. Here will be 1.5. Okay, so that's why if here is pi, here will be pi r. That's the one basically it says here. If here is pi, here will be pi r for the arc length. Then of course, if here is theta, here will be theta r for the length of arc here. Okay, so the length of arc L equals theta r. That's the formula. Okay, now let's see application. But this formula is quite reasonable anyway. Okay, you see the length of arc, this part L, depends on how large this angle is. If theta is bigger, then big theta times r, you'll get bigger length of arc. Okay, so that's easy to remember. Okay, let's see example. The example is the following right here. This is the example. We want to see that. Okay, before we do this example again, we want to remember the length of arc equals theta times r. Okay, the example here says that let the radius of a circle be 1 inch. So we know r is 1 inch. Okay, and then we also know the angle theta here is 60 degrees. Then we know 180 degrees is pi, then 60 degrees is 1/3 of 180. Then theta will be 1/3 of pi, so it's pi over 3. And then we know theta is pi over 3, and r is 1 inch. Then pi over 3 times 1 basically is right here. You'll get the length of arc. Okay, so 1 times pi over 3 is just pi over 3. Again, pi is approximately 3.14159 and something more. Okay. Yeah. So basically pi divided by 3 is approximately 1.047 inches. So when the angle is 60 degrees, how big is 60 degrees? This is 90 degrees. Okay, and then you divide that into 3 equal parts. Each one will be 30 degrees. This is also 30. So this part will be what? 60 degrees. And then the length of, if the length of arc, this part is 1 inch. Then if the radius is 1 inch, then the length of arc, approximately this part, will be what? Will be slightly bigger than 1 inch, which is 1.047 inches. Okay? Okay, I'll see you next time.